I'm realizing that this is the first time my house has been quiet in a long time. We've been living through this attic transformation, so every day there have been people in and out of the house, hammering, sawing, drilling for 4 months. And my kids home too. I've had my middle one home a lot more with me right now. We've been going through some things, and so I'm just like giving myself the permission to sit in the quiet and the peace right now. And sometimes we're so guilty. I'm so guilty of just like go, 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 go. And it's catching up with me lately. And the home renovations are catching up with me lately. As somebody who loves renovations, like this is my passion. When you hit your limit, you're kind of like, oh, okay. We've been living through home renovations now for at least 4 years because our previous house we bought, renovated. Then we purchased this property, you know, coming up on almost 3 years ago, and have been renovating it since day one. We've been displaced. My kids have been playing musical bedrooms. So this attic transformation is huge for us. It's just going to make the house exactly what we envisioned it. I know we were kind of crazy for buying a house that was unfinished, like 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms not finished, but it's turning out amazing. But it is wearing on me, the construction. And obviously this is a very privileged problem. Like I get that, that's not lost on me. But I do find that when your house is just chaotic, which ours is very chaotic right now, because like I said, there's tarps places, there's partition walls, there's dust, there's saws, everything's just displaced. You've got things that are supposed to be upstairs in the new bedroom, like in other rooms, and it starts to feel just so unsettled. So I think I'm really ready for everything to feel settled because so much of my life feels very unsettled right now. We've just been going through a really challenging time with one of our kids in school, and everything just feels off track. And I keep telling my husband, I'm like, okay, when we get upstairs finished and I get the kids' room set up and it's all, the house is back to normal, everything's just gonna fall in place. And I'm really hoping that's the case. So we're so close, like we're delayed. This project was supposed to be done a month ago, but that's fine. I mean, I expect it to be delayed, but I think when you're doing any type of home renovation, like you just need to add weeks to the timeline so that you don't stress yourself out. But I really had hoped to I'm getting ready to go out of town. I really had hoped to put my kids' rooms together before I left and all that, but it's fine. That can wait. But again, I'm just ready for it to be settled. So we are in the final push phase. They are putting in the carpets. I'll take you guys up there in a second so you can see the carpets. That's really the last thing. And then it's just a punch out list. That's basically what we'll do is we'll go around and we'll look at everything that needs to be completed. I find that 90% of a renovation goes super fast, super smooth. And it's the last 10% that feels like you're really pushing that boulder up the hill. It's just the small things. It's, you can completely transform a space, doing a massive amount of work, and then the tiny little things seem almost harder to get done. So I am super happy that I hired a contracting company, they've been amazing start to finish. They have a wonderful crew. Everyone's been just respectful and kind and on time. So I'm so pleased that I ended up hiring them, even though I kind of wanted to take on the challenge of myself being the general contractor and just subbing everyone out, but also going back to recognizing my own limits right now, because I do have 3 small kids. They need a lot from me. I'm trying to work on my YouTube and all these other things. So being GC is probably not the best hat for me to wear. So the company's been amazing. When I look at everything that's been done, having them, I feel like I'm knowledgeable, but having someone who's super knowledgeable to make sure everything has been constructed the right way, especially when you're adding systems and plumbing and electrical and structural things. It is best to hire someone. I think you're gonna spend a little more money, but in my book, it's been totally worth it. So I'm excited to get up there. I need to do a lot of little things. I need to go buy blinds today. But yeah, let's go up there and I'll show you where we're at. And my sister and I are doing something super fun on my daughter's wall. And I'm not the artist, she's the artist, but I'm pretending to be an artist a little bit. So I'll go show you what we're doing. Just so you can see, this is my current pile of laundry because again, everything is everywhere. This is real life, people. So you can see the beautiful aesthetic and then all my laundry actually everywhere. Something that is kind of getting me through all of this is just looking at the stairwell and it's making me so happy. I don't know if you remember, that was just like a solid wall and it didn't feel intentional. And now look, it feels so intentional and part of the house. So this was, gosh, this is like my favorite thing. I mean, there's so many favorite things, but this stairwell, most favorite things. Okay, so we're standing in my daughter's bedroom. We went pink, we went like super girly. She is 4, so I'm giving her the room that I always dreamed of having for a kid. So they've got the built-ins done that are super cute. This is the carpet that's going in. LVP in the main common areas I'll also show you, but this Berber, super nice. It's thick. I like Berber. So I suggest if you're gonna do carpet in a house to go with Berber. And this is kind of like a wheat color. I didn't wanna go so white to where it just stains super easily, but I wanted to keep it pretty light. We're doing that. Okay, now let me show you what my sister and I are doing. She's amazing. Like I told my sister, I go, get ready. When I post this on there, people are gonna be coming for you going, when can you do one for me? Look at this. Look at this sweet mural that we're doing. So it's just getting started now. We were working on it a little bit last night, but we ran out of time. Again, my sister has an 18-month-old, so we're both moms just trying to fit in these type of projects where we can fit it in. But let me show you, like seriously, my sister's talent is crazy. This is what we're doing. So the mural's gonna look like this, and her bed's gonna be placed right under this. I went big, guys. I went big on this house. I'm kind of cheap, and my husband is like just reminding me, get good stuff that you're not gonna have to replace in a year or two. So I ordered all of her furniture from Pottery Barn, and she's doing the Ava Regency bed in a full size. So that's what this tape is, because we want it to go over the bed. So the bed is supposed to be delivered tomorrow. I hope the carpet guy is coming back today. He said it was gonna be like maybe today or the next day. So I already rescheduled that delivery once. So I'm hoping they're coming back out so I can get that delivery done. And then we can get this beautiful thing. And I think my daughter, she's just so funny. We did these, my sister did like several options and showed her, and she was so cute. She was like, they're just so beautiful. I can't decide, you decide. I'm gonna love them all. So that's really sweet. So let me just show you the rest of kind of what I love about this room. And it's just so sweet. The color on the walls is romance. It kind of looks, a little salmon-y, but I found, let me show you also what I found from Target for her bedspread and stuff. It matches, like it's the exact color of the wall. Look at this. Can you even see it? So this is gonna be her quilt, and then we'll do a duvet. But the color on Sherwin-Williams is romance. It pulls a little peachy, a little salmon-y. But yeah, I can't wait to put it all together. This is so fun. When I was a kid, my favorite thing, like we moved around a lot, and I would just think about like setting up my bedroom, and it was so fun. And again, I think I love this stuff because I didn't have like a very consistent childhood. We moved a lot. I had a very chaotic house. So I think maybe one of those things I was talking about earlier, kind of like the triggers of that, of living in chaos and just not wanting that for my kids, like wanting everything to be settled for them and nice. And again, this is just the dream room. So I've got to go I ordered, my goal is to get her maybe her window treatments up today, just doing like a long white ruffled curtain there. These windows are a little, she got like the best view of the house. Is that just not ridiculous? My husband's like, she definitely got the best view, but she is our princess. Oh, someone's pulling into my driveway. Maybe that's the carpet people. But yeah, so we're getting this, it's coming together. And I love this, look at this. Look at this, these little dimmers. And I love that this is on a dimmer. So it'll be like a night light for her at night too. So, oh, that's Amazon at my door. It's a surprise, Amazon at my door. They're always at my door because I have an Amazon problem. Yeah. Now coming up here made me feel happy. I was feeling a little stressed out earlier, but this room just makes me happy, and her bathroom makes me so happy. Look at her bathroom tile. It's this herringbone pink. Like my sister and I were both just looking at it yesterday and we were like, wow, we would have died to have this as a kid. So I'm trying to make all of her dreams come true. I got some cute, also from Target, some cute bath stuff that I'm gonna put up. But yeah, I'm gonna go now see if I can get the blinds. I'm gonna try to get a workout in. I got a meeting at the school at 1. See if the carpet people show back up. Maybe I can get the blinds cut and get those hung today. And then I'm gonna come back in and try to finish up. This is the portion I'm doing, okay? I am doing the leaves. I can handle leaves. My sister is doing all the other amazing, like sketching it out and stuff. So that's where we're at. But yeah, thanks for watching. And I'll catch you guys next time and show you what's happening. Oh, it's super dark in here. Show you what's happening when we're all done. Next time I see you, hopefully this is done and I'm giving you a tour of the finished space. Bye.